the gala screening of Talahib. Tonight we are about to experience the chills and thrills of this slasher movie, brought to you by FIS Foundation through the 2024 Sinag Manila Film Festival. We're excited to have all here tonight, and we're also proud to share that our movie Talahib is having its world premiere here at Sinag Manila Film Festival. Before we begin, let me introduce to you the incredible talent behind this film. The visionary minds, the on-screen stars, and the dedicated team who brought this story to life. First up, let's give warm welcome to the mastermind behind it all, our brilliant director, Direk Avi.
Love you, Direk! Love you po! Hyper eh.
And also, please join me in welcoming the actors who brought the characters of the film to life. Starting off with Jillian Vicencio. Christoph Garcia. Jess Mendoza. Kate Alejandrino. Ya Mercado. Angeli Sanoy. Iyo Canlas. Dax Alejandro. Michael Dagdad. Olive Nieto. Mr. Johnny Revilla. And unfortunately, Ms. Mercedes Carvalho won't be able to join us tonight. But it's not just about what happens in front of the camera. Let's also give a huge round of applause to the people who made the magic happen behind the scenes. Our cinematographer, Direk Ray Nyamson. Our production designer and his team, headed by James Rosendahl. From the production management team, headed by Jasmine Sopera and Chichi Cardona. Our post-production team, headed by Wesley Yap, from Terminal 6 Post, and our editor, Aimer Alquinto. And of course, our executive producers from FIS Foundation, Undersecretary Wimpy Fentabella, and Attorney Nico Palarca. Also, I would like to call our assistant directors, Direk Aika and Julene. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our friends and families and of course our distinguished guests. Sir Butch Ibanez from Solar Pictures and Sinag Manila Film Festival. So this film is the result of hard work, passion, and a lot of love from this fantastic team. Tonight, we celebrate their dedication, creativity, and the incredible journey that brought us here. So without further ado, let's get the show started. Sit back, relax, enjoy Talahib.
Let's go, let's go.
Tingin sa akin.
Kami nalalahat sabay-sabay. Ang galing. Automatic.
Okay na. Yay!